So this is the source of GCC. We use 8.3 as an example. We get to get the file. We have already got it. Now we will extract the file, the read one. Just copy and paste to extract the file. The package is very large, so you need to wait for a while to get the full extracted file. Then we will open the extracted folder by cd command. After that, we will do downloading with this command. Contribute download prerequisites. Okay, successful. Then go back to the previous folder, do mkdir to build a new folder, named objdir. Then we'll open it. After that, we will enter this command to configure the GCC. Okay, finished. So only two commands left is make and make install. This make process can be very long time, and you need to frame for many hours. After all installation, we do not forget to set your environmental variables in the bash file. Hope it helps you. Bye.